Alright, so here's another one. Okay, what is the pH of a solution in which the concentration of H3O plus is given to you as 0.14 molar in 2 decimal places? So I'll give you a second to try that now. Right, so what formula do we need? The log one. So pH is equal to log base 10 of and put a minus there as well because it comes out minus. Alright, so let's just sub it all in. So this is going to be equal to minus log base 10 of 0.14, and that comes out as 0.85 to 2 decimal places. Perfect. So it's a fairly strong acid and it's fairly concentrated, so it's a low pH. Alright, so let's try this one. Okay, off you go. First one to the answer. Okay, so once again, minus log 10 of the concentration of H3O. Okay, even though we know this is going to be a base, probably, you still use H3O. So that's going to be minus log 10 of that number there, 6 times 10 to the minus 9, which comes out as 8.2. 2 sig figs. Yeah, very good. Alright, nice.